Dear friends, today we will learn about crystal types in urine and their causes. There are 13 different types of crystals present in urine, or which we see through microscopy. First, we will study about crystal types in urine and their causes. First, we will know what are crystals in urine. In urine, different chemicals are present in urine. When these chemicals collect in urine or kidneys, they solidify and can cause crystals in urine. Specific crystals can become kidney stones. In urine microscopy, these different types of crystals help us to diagnose kidney stones. Types of crystals: Hipparic crystals, calcium oxalate crystals, uric acid crystals, white crystals, bilirubin crystals, calcium carbonate crystals, phosphate crystals, cholesterol crystals, ammonium biuret crystals, cysteine crystals, leucine crystals, indanavir crystals, tyrosine crystals. Types of crystals in urine. First, we will study about hippuric crystals in urine. The structure of hippuric crystals in urine is needle-like prism or palatus, clear or yellow brown in color. You can see in this figure. In microscopy, it is seen in clustered form. Sometimes it is observed in single form also. Causes of hippuric crystals in urine, or it is present in acidic urine. Okay, friends. Now we will teach about calcium oxalate crystals in urine. The structure of calcium oxalate crystals in urine are they are enveloped or dumbbell shaped and colorless. You can see in this figure, guys. Okay. Causes of calcium oxalate crystals in urine are taking more salty foods causes calcium oxalate crystals in urine. If kidney stones are present, which is made up of calcium oxalate crystals, causes calcium oxalate crystals in urine. Or if we eat food which has high content of calcium oxalate, causes calcium oxalate crystals in urine. Or if we ingest ethylene glycol, then calcium oxalate crystals occurs in urine or during microscopy of urine. Now we will teach about uric acid crystals in urine. Structure of uric acid crystals in urine are they are diamond shaped, barrel shaped, palette shaped, and yellow or orange brown in color. You can see in this diagram. Causes of uric acid crystals in urine are tumor lysis syndrome, chemotherapy, uric acid stones in kidneys, protein rich diet such as eggs, meat, chicken, fish, red meat, etc. Now we will teach about citrovite crystals in urine. Citrovite crystals are also called ammonium magnesium crystals. Structure of citrovite crystals in urine. Structure of citrovite crystals in urine. They are rectangular, prism shaped and colorless. You can see in this figure, guys. You can see in this picture, guys. They are rectangular, prism shaped and colorless. Okay, friends. Causes of citrovite crystals in urine are urinary tract infections caused by bacteria, Klebsiella protease, Staphylococcus. Now we will teach about bilirubin crystals in urine or the structure of bilirubin crystals in urine. The structure of bilirubin crystals in urine are they are small and yellow in color. They are granular and needle-like appearance. You can see this picture, guys. Bilirubin crystals are small and yellow in color. They are granular and needle-like appearance. Causes of bilirubin crystals in urine: liver cirrhosis, poor liver function when liver can't function very well. Liver diseases causes bilirubin crystals in urine. Now we will teach about calcium carbonate crystals in urine or the structure of calcium carbonate crystals in urine. They are light brown in color, large round discs with smooth surface. You can see this picture, guys. They are light brown in color, large round discs with smooth surface. Causes of calcium carbonate crystals in urine are ingestion of high dietary oxalates, Patients with kidney stones, ingestion of ethylene glycol. In this condition, calcium carbonate crystals occurs in urine. Now we will teach about calcium phosphate crystals in urine or the structure of calcium phosphate crystals in urine. They are needle shaped, star shaped, colorless. You can see in this picture, friends. Causes of calcium phosphate crystals in urine are hypoparathyroidism. Now we will teach about cholesterol crystals in urine or the structure of cholesterol crystals in urine. They are long, rectangular shaped, clear and cut out at one end. You can see in this picture, guys. You can see this picture, guys. Okay. They are long, rectangular shaped, clear and cut out at one end. Causes of cholesterol crystals in urine are renal tubular diseases or when urine is kept in refrigerator for long time. Now we will see ammonium biuret crystals in urine or the structure of ammonium biuret crystals in urine. They are small bugs like shaped in microscopy. You can see in this picture, friends. They are small bugs like shaped in microscopy or during examination of urine. Causes of ammonium biuret crystals in urine are if urine is kept for a long time, for example 2 to 6 hours, after that if we do microscopy of this urine, we can see ammonium biuret crystals in this urine. Now we will see cystine crystals in urine or the structure of cystine crystals in urine. They are larger than other kidney stones, colorless. They are colorless and hexagon shaped. You can see in this picture, guys. They are colorless and hexagon shaped. Causes of cystine crystals in urine. These occurs in genetic condition. Because of this reason, amino acid releases and kidney stones form in kidneys. Now we will see leucine crystals in urine or the structure of leucine crystals in urine. They are yellow brown disc shaped. You can see in this picture, guys. They are yellow brown disc shaped. Causes of leucine crystals in urine are severe liver diseases. Now we will see Indinavir crystals in urine or the structure of Indinavir crystals in urine. They are fan shaped, rectangular, palette shaped, resemble starbursts. You can see in this picture, friends. They are fan shaped, rectangular, palette shaped, resemble starbursts. Causes of Indinavir crystals in urine are severe liver diseases. Indinavir is a drug used in HIV treatment. Now we will see tyrosine crystals in urine or the structure of tyrosine crystals in urine. They are needle shaped and colorless. You can see in this picture, friends. They are needle shaped and colorless. Causes of tyrosine crystals in urine are following: liver diseases, tyrosinemia. Thank you so much for watching this video and also subscribe this channel for more exciting videos.